how to move Steam games to another hard drive. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Steam app. And then once you are now here, make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, the next thing that we need to do right here is to go into the upper left corner of the screen and then click the Steam icon, which is right here, and then click Settings. Once you are now on the settings, what we are going to do is to go here on the storage. So click that one right there. And then in this part, you will see all of your games, which is right here. What we are going to do next is to go here on our drives. And then we're going to add another drive. So make sure that you add the drive where you want to add the game into. So all you have to do is to add it right here. So it could be located right there. But currently I only have one drive. So let's say, for example, that this is the drive that we're going to add. So I'm going to click select folder. And then after that, it should be added into this part. Now you should be able to have two drives in there. Now what we are going to do next is to just go here on this part and then just choose the games that you want to transfer. So let's say, for example, that we're going to transfer this one, which is right here. So once you click that check, you should be able to see the move button, which is right here. So all you have to do is to click that move button and then just select the other folder so that you can transfer it into another hard drive. And then once you do that, the games will not be transferred into another drive, and that is basically it. So that is how easy it is. That is how to move another Steam games to another hard drive.